Hey everyone! This is Vishal Patil from appmelodies.com, and today I've got something really special for you. We're going to build MindHaven, a calming, beginner-friendly Flutter mental wellness app packed with powerful features like mood tracking, gratitude journaling, meditations, soundscapes, and much more. Whether you're a Flutter beginner or someone looking to build an impactful project that promotes mindfulness and emotional well-being, you're going to love this one. Make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your next app or game idea so I can build it in the next video. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new Flutter project in Android Studio. First, open Android Studio on your computer. Click on New Flutter Project from the welcome screen. Then choose Flutter Application and click Next. Make sure to select all the platforms you want this app to support: Android, iOS, Web, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Under the Android language option, select Kotlin. Once everything looks good, click Finish and wait for Android Studio to generate your new Flutter project. Step 2. Configure pubspec.yaml with required packages. Once your project is created, open the file named pubspec.yaml from the project directory. Now go to the blog post and copy the full pubspec.yaml code provided there. Replace the existing code inside your pubspec.yaml with the copied code. After that, save the file and run the command, flutter pub-get. This will install all the required dependencies. Step 3. Add the app source code. From the blog, download the provided Dart source file. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip folder if needed. Inside, you'll find the main.dart file. Now go back to your Flutter project, open the lib folder, and replace the existing main.dart with the one you just downloaded. This file contains everything: mood tracking, gratitude journaling, breathing animations, guided meditations, audio playback, Firebase setup, and beautiful UI design. Step 4. Add calming soundscapes and assets folder. Go back to the same downloaded folder and find the assets folder. It contains MP3 audio file. Copy the entire assets folder and paste it into the root directory of your Flutter project, right alongside folders like lib, Android, and iOS. Step 5. Run the app. Now you're ready to test your app. In Android Studio, look at the top of the window and choose a connected device or emulator. If you have a physical Android device connected via USB, it should appear there. If not, click on Device Manager and start a virtual device. Once a device is selected, click the green Run button or use the command, Flutter Run. Flutter will build the app and launch it on your selected device. This might take a minute the first time. Congratulations! You've built MindHaven. You now have a fully functional, cross-platform Flutter app focused on mental wellness. Here are some of the amazing features you just added. Mood tracker: log daily emotions like happy, sad, anxious, or calm, with personal notes. Gratitude journal: reflect on small joys with guided, positive prompts. Guided meditations: follow step-by-step sessions for morning focus, stress relief, and deep relaxation. Breathing exercises: practice 4-7-8 breathing with a calming radial animation. Soundscapes: listen to peaceful loops of nature like rainforest, ocean waves, and more. Affirmations: create and read motivational affirmations whenever you need them. Mindful reminders: get gentle push reminders to stay mindful during the day. Beautiful UI: enjoy a modern, neumorphic design with gradients and smooth animations. Offline support: all data is stored using Hive locally. Cloud sync: easily connect to Firebase for cross-device syncing. Works everywhere: Android, iOS, Web, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Whether you're building this for yourself, for a portfolio project, or to help others, MindHaven is a meaningful app that brings calm and clarity to users. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to App Melodies, and comment your next project idea. I'd love to bring your idea to life in the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building, stay positive, and take care of your mind.